Hey guys, welcome to this small tutorial. In this, I will be telling you how to fix your issue with internet. As you can see, my Wi-Fi is connected, but I can't seem to browse my internet. It's not working. This could happen because of a lot of reasons, but we are going to fix this with resetting our TCP/IP configurations. Go to your Windows and go to command prompt, but instead of opening it as simply, just right click and go to run as administrator. When it's done, we are going to enter this command netsh int ip reset. What this command is going to do is it's going to reset our TCP IP protocol configurations and let it run. Now the next step is to restart the computer, and we will do that right now. After restarting, as you can see, my internet is working. So there you go. This is a small simple solution to fix your errors. If you guys have any issues, do let me know in the comments, and till next time.